Are you ready to start your own business but don't know where to begin? Starting a successful business takes time, effort, and dedication, but it can be one of the most rewarding things you'll ever do. In this video, we'll go over some tips and strategies for starting and growing a profitable business. Hello and welcome to Wealthwise Web, your go-to channel that's all about helping you achieve your financial and personal goals. Before we dive into the video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and join our community so that you get access to all the exclusive content for free. Without further ado, let's get started. Segment 1. Find your passion. Choose a job you love, and you will never have to work a day in your life. This quote by Confucius rings true for starting a business as well. Find something you're passionate about and turn it into a business. Think about your skills, interests, and hobbies. What do you love to do? What problem can you solve with your passion? Segment 2. Do your research. Before starting your business, it's important to do your research. You need to understand your market, your competition, and your target audience. Use a variety of research methods to get a complete picture of your market, competition, and target audience. This can include surveys, focus groups, online research, and industry reports. Don't be afraid to pivot your business idea based on your research findings. It's better to make changes early on than to invest time and money into a business that isn't viable. Conduct market research to understand the demand for your product or service. Look at your competition to see what they're doing well and where they could improve. And finally, identify your target audience and tailor your marketing strategy to their needs. But what if you're on a tight budget? Let's talk about ways to start a business without breaking the bank. Segment 3. Start small. Starting a business doesn't have to be expensive. In fact, you can start small and grow over time. Look for ways to bootstrap your business, such as using free or low-cost tools, working from home, and outsourcing tasks when necessary. Focus on building your product or service, and as you generate revenue, reinvest in your business to fuel growth. Starting small also allows you to test your business idea and make adjustments as needed before scaling up. Prioritize the most important tasks and activities for your business, and focus on those first. This will help you avoid wasting time and resources on things that don't matter. Look for ways to automate or streamline your business processes to save time and increase efficiency. This can include using software tools, outsourcing certain tasks, or implementing standard operating procedures. Okay, now that you've done your research and started your business, how do you keep it growing? Segment 4. Focus on customer service. Your most unhappy customers are your greatest source of learning. This quote by Bill Gates highlights the importance of customer service in business. Focus on providing excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty with your customers. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and feedback, and go above and beyond to exceed their expectations. Happy customers are more likely to refer your business to others, which can help you grow your customer base and revenue. Train your employees or team members to provide excellent customer service. This can include active listening, problem solving, and follow-up. Use customer feedback to improve your products or services. This can help you identify areas for improvement and create a better customer experience. Segment 5. Build a strong brand. Your brand is more than just a logo and a tagline. It's the way people perceive your business and the values it represents. Develop a strong brand that communicates your unique selling proposition and resonates with your target audience. Your brand should be consistent across all your marketing channels, including your website, social media, and advertising. Define your brand personality and values, and use them to guide your marketing efforts. This can help you create a consistent and recognizable brand across all your channels. Invest in high-quality branding materials, such as a logo, website, and social media graphics. This can help you make a positive impression on potential customers. Segment 6. Create a business plan. A business plan is a roadmap for your business that outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections. Create a business plan to guide your decision-making and keep you focused on your business objectives. Your business plan should include a description of your business, target market analysis, competitive analysis, marketing and sales strategies, financial projections, and an executive summary. Make sure your business plan is realistic and achievable. This means setting achievable goals, creating a budget that reflects your financial situation, and being honest about your strengths and weaknesses. Use your business plan as a tool for decision-making and accountability. Regularly review and update it as your business grows and evolves. Segment 7. Network and collaborate. Networking and collaborating with other professionals can help you gain new insights, ideas, and opportunities for your business. Join industry groups, attend conferences and events, and connect with other entrepreneurs and professionals in your field. Seek out partnerships and collaborations that can help you expand your reach and grow your business. Attend industry events and conferences to meet other professionals in your field. This can help you build relationships and gain new insights into your industry. Look for opportunities to collaborate with other businesses or professionals. This can help you expand your reach and offer new products or services to your customers. Segment 8. Stay flexible and adaptable. In today's fast-paced business environment, it's important to stay flexible and adaptable to changing market conditions and customer needs. Be open to new ideas and be willing to pivot your business strategy when necessary. Stay up to date with industry trends and innovations, and be proactive in responding to customer feedback and suggestions. Keep an eye on industry trends and changes, and be willing to pivot your business strategy when necessary. This can help you stay ahead of the competition and meet the changing needs of your customers. Don't be afraid to experiment with new ideas or approaches. This can help you identify new opportunities for growth and innovation. Segment 9. Stay committed. Starting and growing a successful business takes time, effort, and dedication. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way, but staying committed to your vision and goals is key to achieving long-term success. Stay motivated by celebrating small wins, setting achievable goals, and taking breaks when needed. Set realistic expectations for yourself and your business, and celebrate small wins along the way. This can help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. Surround yourself with a supportive network of friends, family, and mentors who can offer guidance and encouragement. This can help you stay committed to your vision even during challenging times. In summary, starting and growing a successful business requires finding your passion, doing your research, starting small, focusing on customer service, building a strong brand, creating a business plan, networking and collaborating, staying flexible and adaptable, and staying committed to your vision and goals. With these tips and strategies, you'll be on your way to creating a profitable and fulfilling business. If you found these tips and strategies helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more business advice and inspiration. By subscribing, you'll never miss a video that could help take your business to the next level. So hit that subscribe button now and let's grow our businesses together.